Good morning, guys. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It's Friday. It's January 22nd. We are about 8 minutes into the open. We're watching Tesla right here for a short idea. Tesla opened up lower, tried to rally, failed. Looking at a short on Tesla, we'll call it right about here. Just a quick trade. We'll see if we can get something out of it. 213.9. 834.94, 834.94. Let's call it 834.75 as your short. We'll post this in the room. Tesla short 834.75 is your short on Tesla. It's got about 70 cents to go. We'll open this up right here. You can find the tape down here on the bottom. I'll post this in the room. Tesla short. We're at 836, it's pivoting up. We'll switch over to a 1 right now. Same entry, 834.75. We're going to make it a little below this, it should be. Let's see. There it goes, Tesla. There it goes. These orders, you should put them in the system as the stock works its way to the number so you can trigger. It's almost impossible to catch them unless you enter it as a mechanical order. So Tesla's is short at 834.75. I don't know where we're going to stop it. Maybe 838. We'll try it. We'll see what happens. We're looking for another flush out here. If we could flush out here, we got ourselves a real nice trade. Tesla's still trying the bottom. I don't want to stay too long down here. I just want to flush out. One shot right through. CLII was a call out in the room. You can find that on Discord at 2220. It broke out real nice. That was called out at 2220 in the room, and we had a sell at 2375. That was a $1.55 winner. Let's stay on Tesla. It's not looking so good right now, but not looking bad. We'll hold Tesla. We have 3 other call outs in the room. PASQ as your short at 2020. PASQ at 2020, we're under order here. IBM at 118.70, at 70 cents in the money, letting this trade go a little more. We'll post in this room, IBM. Try to get it down to 117.50 or lower, we'll cover that one. We're gonna go back to Tesla right now. It's running a little bit against us. CLII out at 75, posted in the room. That was a winner. That was $1.55. Still working on Tesla. Come on, Tesla, one more shot, get us out of there. IBM, we're gonna close IBM at 177.50. So we're working on IBM in the room. These were posted on Discord on the Trade the Moment. Or go to our website at tradethemoment.com and you can launch the Discord app right from the website. There you'll find a little about me and my company. IBM's 118. We got to get to 117.50 to get out of IBM. We could take profits now. We entered this short. at 118.70. It's posted in the room at 9:33 this morning. Still waiting on Tesla, and I'll be scanning for other ideas. PASQ is still okay. Baba's on the radar as well. Tight base, looking for a quick breakdown here. We're going to go Baba 255. 255.60 on Baba as a short. 255.60, posted this in the room as a short idea. Baba 255.60. Here comes Tesla now. Tesla's almost where we entered at 234.75. Very good. We're right where we entered. We're looking for $1, $2, $3 flush here so we can close out. Baba has not triggered yet. The trigger on Baba is 255.60. We're at 256.27, so we got about 60 some odd cents to get there. PASQ, very, very nice. Very, very tight channel. This was a call out in the room. We're going to let this trade play out. We like this trade lower. Right now we got Tesla. It's not cooperating. Well, we closed out CLII. We were long at 22.20. We closed out at 23.75. That was a gap up this morning. It took the top out here at 20 and kept going. We got out at 75 in the room it was posted. Closed out, hit a high of 94, I believe, or 24. Pulled in here. Nothing wrong with the stock. It should be okay. We're out of it for now. We're working on Tesla. And Tesla's about to stop out. I say 138.50 is a stop on Tesla. I don't want to go to the 140, so 138.50 is going to be a stop on Tesla. I'll post that in the room for further disclosure. Tesla stop at 838.50. And that would be our first loser of the morning if that happens. Let's keep an eye on Tesla here, see if it stops out on us. Hopefully this trade can head lower. 38, 38, 40. You don't have to stop it at 38.50. I am. You can leave a little more room. I'll stop out if that happens and I'll look for another entry. I'm not going to get murdered with this trade, that's for sure. Always trade smaller size on Tesla so you could take a bigger stop. The stop is very important. If you take a $2 stop with Tesla, you'll probably be stopped out many more times than you would have with a $4 stop. You're better off with less stock and not have your hand shaken. This way you could, you know what I mean? So this is a losing trade, Tesla. Tesla we're out of. We will re-enter Tesla later. Let's keep an eye on Baba, waiting for Baba. The trigger has not triggered. PASQ is triggering. PASQ is a call out in the room at 2020. It triggered. And we'll make a new lows. So PASQ is what we're focusing on. PASQ need a flush out here and we could take profits. PASQ I'm going to close this out at 1850 if we can get to it. Yeah, nice flush out right here, another 20-30 cents. We could take some profits there. Come on, flush out. Attaboy, flush out a little more. Nice. Okay, a little more, another 10 cents. You can start taking profits here if you can get it. $64. I posted in the room at 50. Some could take a little profit here at 64 is okay. There it goes, a nice flush out. I'm taking some more at 50, took some at 60. This was a short we got in at, on the room it's posted at, what was it? I'm so sorry, give me a second. So many trades up there. 2020 was a short earlier. It pivoted up a little bit, came down, took the 2020 and went right through the 19. I got out. I closed this position at, I think, 1850. I have to check the tape, see where I filled that. Okay, let's go back to Baba. Baba has not triggered. Tesla stopped us out, went to 140. We'll take a 375, I think, loss on Tesla. What else is in the room? Open. IWM never triggered. Baba has not triggered. IBM is 117.55. We took some profits at 117. We shorted at 118.70. The room 177.50. Take profits. Not a bad morning so far, guys. Other than Tesla, everything was fine. We had CLII as a breakout above 2020. Got out of 23.75 in the room. Real nice trade. We had IBM. IBM was a call out at 118.70 as a short. 118.70, somewhere right about that pivot. It flushed out to 117.50. That trade was a $1.20 winner. We had Tesla as a loser. We got involved with Tesla as a short at 834.75, and we covered at 838.50 up here. So it never broke. False breakout here, false breakout here, and then mountain up, and then trapped us. 375 loser on Tesla. Baba was still waiting for a short down here. Baba has not triggered. If it comes back down, we will get involved. It's posted in the room. 255.60 as your short. And the last trade for the first half hour of the morning, which was PASQ 2020, was the short right about here. It broke it, came all the way down. We covered at 1850. At 1950, I'm sorry, 1950 here. I think I filled a little higher than that, and on the balance, just about there, a little lower. I'll check the count later, but we're flat there. So we are flat across the board right now. We have nothing going on, nothing long. We're looking for a new series of trades. That was 5 trades, 4 went, 1 loser, 3 winners. Again, guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We'll bring you more.